This is a demo of the ListMarketer platform for our Bronze, Silver, and Gold plans. We are here in the main dashboard, but we are going to start by uploading some data. To do that, we need to go to Subscribers, Import Subscribers. From this page, we can choose an existing list we have already created or create a new list, which is what we will do today. We will call this LM Demo. Next, we need to tell the software what fields we have in our data. It can actually automatically detect that, so we are going to go ahead and set it to do that. Leave these settings as default for now, so we can choose our data source. There are 3 ways to upload data: a file from your desktop, manually paste subscribers in here, or pull a file from a URL, like an FTP. For today, we are just going to paste subscribers right here and go on to the next step. The software is going to guess what format we have our data in. It's actually pretty good at guessing. You can see here, it was able to determine that these are email addresses, first name, source IP, and source timestamp. Now it can't tell this field, so I'm going to go ahead and make this a custom field, and we will call this the industry, as I have it labeled here. Next we hit Finish, and the software will start importing the data. Now that we have some data, we're going to set up our first campaign. To do that, we go to Campaigns, Create New Campaign. The first thing we do from this page is to give the campaign a label. This can be anything you want, but it will appear in the main dashboard for tracking as well as reporting, so you want to make it specific. I'm going to call this LM Demo Send 1. Next, we select the mailing list. You can select multiples at once, but for today, we are going to use the list we just created, LM Demo. We can apply a filter to custom segment our list, but for today, we will leave that blank as well. Now, we get to set who the mail appears to be from. You can make this anything you want: a company, a person's name, or even a mini subject line, as in some cases, particularly mobile platforms, this will appear biggest. Today, we are going to make this Great Offer from ListMarketer. Next, we have the email address it's going to appear to be from. We only need to enter the first part of the email address, but we don't want any spaces. I'm going to call this Great Offers with an underscore. The second part of the email address, the domain it appears to be from, is going to be your custom domain to fit your branding. In this case, the email will appear to be from Great Offer from LM with an email address of greatoffers_@domain.com. We have our subject line again, and this can be anything you want. I'm going to make it something generic for today. Check out this great offer. Now we have text and HTML versions of our creatives. I'm going to go ahead and paste in some text and HTML I already have set up. You can see that I am using custom macros in these. I'm also using the first name as well as this custom field. When I hit the preview button, it will give us a nice example of what the email is going to look like. You can see it auto-populated those to my name as well as my industry. Here is a text version, and here is the HTML version. You can see it has clickable links. You can also see the software has added a customizable footer here to add an unsubscribe link. Next is the sending options. You can send now, schedule for the future, save it to come back and edit later, or save this as a template so you can use it again in the future without continuing to set up your campaigns. For today, we will hit Send Now and will be redirected to the main dashboard, the Manage Campaigns page. You can see the campaign is activating, and after hitting refresh, the campaign is active. From this main dashboard, you can do additional sorting. You can have extra options to send copies of your campaigns or see subscribers like people who clicked. That's all we're going to go over for today. Thanks for watching. For more information, contact sales@listmarketer.com.